This is a very short guide to the Lumix Live View Composite mode and how to use it for a still life. You'll find the feature in the menu system right at the very end. When you open it, you get the opportunity to set a shutter delay. So there's a little delay before the shutter actually opens to give the camera a chance to settle down. Recommend you use that. Once you press start, you need to set your shutter speed and your aperture so that you get your right exposure, and then a noise reduction frame will be taken by the camera. Once that's done, you're ready to go. What I'm going to show you now is how I've lit the subject while the shutter's been open. Here I'm using a torch just to light the back wall and to create a little bit of a graduation. Then I'm going to use the same torch just to light up the subject from one side, and then I'll go around to the other side and light it from there as well. Now obviously in the video that light goes on the object and it disappears, but in the camera that light gets built up. So here you'll see the light appearing on the back wall, which is exactly the same as I did in the previous little clip, and you can see that's just created a nice graduation on the background. Then I use the torch to light up the garlic pot there on one side, and when I take the torch away that light stays there, and then I light it from the other side and the light just builds up. Straight out of the camera, this is how that scene looked, and because you can shoot in RAW as well as JPEG, here is the edited version with no dust and a bit more contrast.